Hello, my dear friends. Namaskar. My name is Suresh Srimali. Welcome to Astro and Numero with Srimali, your one stop destination for astrology and numerology. I hope you all are doing very well. I am always available on this channel to solve your problems. This video is one short video of April month horoscope for all 12 zodiac signs. Monthly predictions will be about the different areas of life such as profession, money, love and relationship, travel, etc. Let's see the overview of amazing April. Dear friends, in this April month, you will see World Heritage Day, World Health Day, or World Liver Day, Earth Day, Intellectual Property Day, and many more. Along with this, Mercury, Jupiter, Venus, Sun, and Mars will transit. I know you all are waiting to know your zodiac prediction for April month. So, my dear friends, it's time to move on to the monthly predictions for all zodiac signs. Let's start with fire, that is Aries. If it doesn't challenge you, it won't change you. This would be success Guru Mantra for Aries. During April, your source of income can increase. You can get profit in the matter of property as well. Your ego may increase, so take special care during this month. From a health point of view, these changes can prove to be harmful to you. There may be quarrels with your partner. On other hand, a situation of differences may also arise with your spouse or love partner. To avoid such a situation, you must maintain gentleness in your speech. You may suffer from fever and headache problems. However, during this month, take full care of your health. Remedy for you is for 7 Fridays, give milk and jaggery to 5 young girls. Now let's move to Bull, that is Taurus. Hassle until you no longer need to introduce yourself. This would be success Guru Mantra for natives of Taurus. You will get profit in business and there is also a possibility of promotion in this field. Your respect in the field will increase and your hard work will also be appreciated. Talking about family life, in April, a situation of disturbance may arise in the family. You may get a new job in your native country if you are trying for a new job. You can also suffer from some allergies and skin rashes. On the other hand, you also need to be careful about your parents' health. The mental health disturbance will occur due to the deterioration in their health. Remedy for you is give some part of your food to the cow or monkey daily. Now let's move to twins, that is Gemini. You will never know your limits until you push yourself to them. This would be success Guru Mantra for you. You can see huge benefits in the field due to the positive impact. Some of you may get a job or promotion, and the resultant increase in income may help you. Your career can keep you busy and self motivation also. Changes in your speech may be seen. You may have to go on some unwanted journey in connection with work, but this journey will be fruitful for you. Handle your household expenses wisely. Take special care of your food and eat healthy diet. Remedy for you is worship of goddess Lakshmi is advisable. Now let's move to crab, that is Cancer. Success mantra for Cancerians is that if you can't handle stress, you won't manage success. You will be able to reply all your debts and you will be able to start a new phase. If you are having a court case, legal complication, then the verdict is very likely to come in your favor. Players and artists will be able to achieve the desired goals. Students can make a goal for yourself and you will work hard for this. If you are in love with someone, a situation of fighting may arise between you two. If you are married, April can be especially beneficial for your spouse. You may suffer from some special physical problems. Remedy for you is nurture plants in corner of your terrace. Now let's move to Lion, that is Leo. Uh, be stubborn about your goals and flexible about your methods. This would be success guru mantra for natives of Leo. For business person, talking of work area, the employed people will be engaged in any new place. You will be successful in achieving your goal due to your hard work and smart work. Differences can arise between members of the family over something that will create an atmosphere of tension. Your ego may increase, but you will be able to get out of it. Along with this, you may also get worried about the health of the parents at this time. Try to maintain peace at home and do not react to small things. You may go to some adventurous trip. Remedy for you is keep a square silver item in your wallet. Now let's move to Earth, that is Virgo. Opportunities don't happen. You create them. This would be success guru mantra for natives of Virgo. In your business or job, you will get some new experiences and you will get good results too. Your efficiency and work is being noted by your boss. Your respect is expected to increase at the workplace. Excitement will remain in your personal as well as professional life. There is a possibility of more sweetness in your relationship with family and friends. You may get rid of from old disease. Personal or professional trip is expected. Remedy for you is drink water in copper glass. Now let's move to skills, that is Libra. Don't dream about success. Get out there and work for it. This would be success guru mantra for natives of Libra. Work pressure may increase in your field of work. You may also get new responsibilities and connection with the work. There may be some pending issues in your family which could bother you. You may face mental stress, so stay cool while handling these issues. Your expenses are also likely to increase. Instead waiting for luck, you should believe in your hard work and move ahead. Business trip is expected with your boss. Remedy for you is use Vastu pyramid in home. Now let's move to Scorpio. That is Scorpio. Learning is like rowing unstream. Not to advance is to drop back. This would be success guru mantra for Scorpions. April is a helpful month during which good fortune will bless you with good health. Your financial prospects would be extremely encouraging. Some of you would also have a way of handling your workers and subordinates. This could also prove to be quite a boon financially. Further, the climate would remain quite friendly for investment. The launching of new ventures, those of you who have such plans on the way should boldly put these into motion. Those pursuing accountancy, journalism, and other forms of mass communication would also face a rough time. Most of you would see your devotion towards your father grow and in return receive the wholehearted blessings of the elders. Remedy for you is donate green grass to horse owner for better results. Now let's move to Archer, that is Sagittarius. It doesn't matter how slowly you go. Matter is as long as you do not stop. This would be success guru mantra for natives of Sagittarians. Business persons associated with the business of hotel, restaurant, food and beverages, bar owners, travel agent will surely be able to earn good profits even under adverse circumstances. Be careful about the decisions you make regarding government work. A long trip lies ahead with government officials. You need to soften your tone with colleagues to avoid differences during the mid of April. Expenses will rise, but a pending task since long time will be done. Unemployed are expected to get employed. Engineering student will focus more on their projects. April is good for students pursuing diploma or course in languages. Be careful of money matters while traveling, else you may have to suffer losses. No serious health problems are likely to happen and minor ones can be taken care of by medical help. Remedy for you is donate fruits or required articles to hospital. Now let's move to goat, that is Capricorn. Success Guru Mantra for Capricorn natives is that you have to fight from a bad day to make them your best day. April month looks a little different for business persons. Your brain will be working towards making plans for savings, income, and investments. People in the administrative sector may face some challenges. Your job can pose a few challenges, but you will overcome them. Support from friends will be in abundance. You will be interested in spirituality and will also go on many religious trips. Your marital life will be very good. Take special care of your health and take your medicines and meditation on time. Remedy for you is offer curd preparation to needy persons. Now let's move to water, that is Aquarius. A fresh start requires only a spirit of fight from failure. This would be Success Guru Mantra for natives of Aquarians. Business persons may be required to travel. Contract from a reputed company is expected. Opportunities will knock your door. If you are associated with share market, you are expected to attract success in it. All your work will get done easily and you will feel a sense of happiness. Students with technical subjects need to work harder. You may plan a trip with your spouse. Love will grow between young couples. In April, you need to take good care of elders as their health may not be so good. You may have to take them to a hospital for better treatment. Remedy for you is wear black color clothes on 2nd and 4th Saturday of April. Now let's move to fish, that is Pisces. Success Guru Mantra for Pisces natives. Intake every chance in life because life doesn't have a reverse button. Those associated with imports and exports will see new deals coming their way. Any major construction related decisions can also be taken. You will get good profit from previously deposited funds. The upcoming financial future is expected to be good. Family life, love life, and relationship will be great, and there will be a happy environment all around. You will be given a big responsibility for a religious event at home. You will get time to spend some quality time with your partner. You will be happy looking at your child's interest and dedication towards studies. You need to special care of your cholesterol and digestion. You may go for long drive with partner. Remedy for you is donate sugar-free chocolate to diabetic patients. However, this is just a generalized forecast. If you have any personal or professional problems and would like a personalized session, please feel free to contact us via telephonic and video conferencing appointment. You can also WhatsApp us on given number or drop your queries in the comment box. At the end of this video, all I want to say is April month will become key path tracker of your success and create a life you cannot wait to wake up to. I hope April month become amazing month for you all. Thanks for watching this video. Take special care. Namaskar. Bye bye.